Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Ever felt that heavy sigh settle in your chest when a textbook opens, threatening to drown you in a sea of words? That quiet resistance in your mind, making learning feel like a chore, an obligation far from an exciting adventure. Perhaps you've stared at pages, feeling the weight of information, wishing for a spark to ignite your understanding, a way to connect these facts to something truly alive. Many of us know that feeling, the dull ache of curiosity suppressed, the longing for learning to be more than just memorizing names and dates. It's a pain that whispers, is this all there is? But what if the answer to that dull ache, the secret ingredient to making learning incredible, isn't a magic potion hidden in a forgotten scroll? What if it's a journey, not across ancient lands, but through the boundless cosmos itself? Imagine that feeling of boredom suddenly dissolving, replaced by a spark, a rush of wonder, just from a glimpse of something truly vast. This isn't just about astronauts and distant planets. This is about a giant, real-world puzzle that demands and gloriously rewards every ounce of your natural curiosity, touching every corner of human knowledge. Prepare to have your mind expanded. We are about to uncover 5 incredible, unexpected ways that space exploration doesn't just make learning awesome, it makes it essential, thrilling, and deeply personal. These aren't just dry facts. These are connections you never saw coming, pathways to understanding that will awaken your deepest sense of wonder, just like a tiny seed holding the entire blueprint for a magnificent tree. The seemingly simple act of looking up at the night sky holds within it the potential for boundless knowledge across every subject. It's a universe of learning waiting to burst forth, transforming how you see not just the stars, but yourself and the world around you. Curiosity is our superpower. Let's dive into the fascinating world of how space makes learning truly awesome. Have you ever stared at a towering rocket on its launch pad, a metallic giant poised against the sky, and truly wondered why it doesn't just fall down? It seems to defy gravity, that unseen hand pulling everything back to Earth. This is where the magic begins, where the rules of physics transform into a thrilling ballet of power and precision, revealing gravity's secret not as a burden, but as a force to be understood. The surprising truth about how a rocket lifts off is found in Isaac Newton's elegant third law. He observed that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Think of it. The rocket blasts superheated gas downwards with incredible force. That's the action. In return, the gas pushes the rocket upwards with the same force. That's the reaction. It's a cosmic punch, a powerful push against the planet itself, propelling tons of metal and fuel towards the heavens. This isn't just a rule, it's the very breath of a rocket, the raw power defying Earth's embrace. But then, how does it stay up there, orbiting our planet, without needing constant pushes? This is another mind-bending truth. An orbiting spacecraft isn't truly floating. It's actually falling continuously around the Earth at such an incredible speed that it constantly misses the ground. Imagine throwing a ball so hard it never lands, always curving around the Earth's shape. That's orbital mechanics, a perpetual dance between gravity's pull and the spacecraft's speed. Staying up means falling perfectly, and the echoes of this incredible journey reach far beyond the stars, right into our daily lives. The same principles keeping astronauts safe have led to advanced fire-resistant materials. Technology developed for space has given us everything from improved GPS to better weather forecasting, even the memory foam in our mattresses. Space exploration isn't just about rockets, it's about pushing boundaries and bringing breakthroughs back home. What other everyday marvels might secretly owe their existence to the quest for the stars? What hidden connections are waiting for you to uncover simply by asking why and how? Imagine floating effortlessly, pushing off a wall and gracefully gliding across a room. This isn't just a cool trick for astronauts. It's a profound challenge to the human body, a journey into understanding ourselves at the most fundamental level. When gravity loosens its grip, our bodies react in incredible, sometimes surprising ways. This isn't just about cool stunts. It's a living laboratory, revealing the hidden workings of our biology in ways traditional textbooks rarely can. One of the first challenges astronauts face is what they call space sickness. Our inner ears, usually expert at telling us which way is up, suddenly get confused without gravity's constant pull. Your brain receives conflicting signals from your eyes and your balance system, leading to nausea and disorientation. It's like a cosmic riddle for your body, a fascinating mystery that reminds us how intricately connected our senses are and how much we rely on Earth's familiar forces. But the challenges go deeper. Without gravity, bones don't need to support our weight, and muscles don't need to work as hard against resistance. Over time, astronauts can experience bone loss and muscle weakening, a kind of cosmic melt. To combat this, they exercise intensely for hours each day, understanding that our bodies are incredibly adaptable, but also need constant stimulation to thrive. This fight against floating teaches us vital lessons about nutrition, exercise, and how to keep our bodies strong, whether on Earth or Mars. Speaking of Mars, how do you feed astronauts on a multi-year mission far from home? This leads to another incredible challenge: growing food in space. Scientists are experimenting with space gardens, learning how plants grow in microgravity, developing hydroponic systems, and designing closed-loop ecosystems. This isn't just botany, it's a deep dive into sustainable living, resource management, and the chemistry of life itself, essential for future planetary explorers. Unlocking the secrets of the human body in space isn't just for astronauts. It's a call to unleash your inner space doctor to explore the incredible resilience and fragility of life itself. What if understanding these cosmic challenges could help us solve health mysteries right here on Earth? What unseen connections between our bodies and the universe are waiting for you to discover? Humanity's giant leap onto the moon. It felt like a moment of pure scientific triumph, a collective breath held across the globe. But what if that extraordinary achievement was more than just scientists in labs and brave astronauts? What if it was a story woven with geopolitical tension, silent struggles, and unsung heroes, a deeper narrative waiting for us to explore? The race to the moon was not merely a friendly competition of rockets and telescopes. It was a fierce contest born from the Cold War, a dramatic struggle between nations. Imagine two powerful giants, each striving to prove their vision for the future, not with weapons, but with incredible feats of engineering and human ingenuity. The cosmos became the ultimate stage for this silent battle, where every launch, every orbit, every lunar photograph was a statement. Yet, behind the iconic images of astronauts, countless brilliant minds toiled, often out of the spotlight. These were the hidden figures, the mathematicians, engineers, and computer programmers whose dedication made the impossible possible. Their stories remind us that every grand achievement is built upon the quiet, persistent work of many, many individuals. Unlocking the secrets of these missions means appreciating every single person who contributed, a powerful truth about the value of every mind, and the legacy of this intense competition. It reaches far beyond the moon, from the launch of Sputnik, which first ignited the space race, to today's vast networks of satellites like Starlink, constantly connecting our world. The drive to push boundaries has never faded. This historical rivalry birthed technologies that continue to shape our present and future, proving that even conflict can spark incredible innovation. So, what hidden histories are waiting for you to uncover simply by looking beyond the headlines? What if you could time travel with your curiosity, exploring the intricate web of human ambition and scientific discovery? Every historical event, even one as grand as the moon landing, holds layers of untold stories, inviting you to discern the underlying principles and explanations behind it all. Hold your smartphone in your hand for a moment. Ever wondered why this tiny slab of glass and metal feels so much like magic? It connects us across continents, shows us distant places, and captures moments with incredible clarity. The surprising truth is, much of the magic powering your pocket device has its roots not on Earth, But among the stars, a direct legacy of our quest to explore beyond. Take GPS, for instance, your personal satellite navigator, guiding you to new places or helping you find your way home, owes its entire existence to satellites orbiting hundreds of kilometers above you. These incredible machines, born from space exploration, constantly send signals that your phone interprets, triangulating your exact position. It's a silent, invisible network, a testament to how the pursuit of the cosmos directly impacts our daily lives, making navigation seamless and our world feel smaller, yet more connected. And what about your phone's camera? The technology that allows you to snap stunning photos, even in low light, has a fascinating connection to the powerful telescopes peering into the deepest reaches of space. The advanced sensors and image processing techniques developed to capture faint starlight from distant galaxies have found their way into our everyday devices, giving your smartphone camera its superpowers. It's a beautiful example of how pushing the boundaries of discovery for one purpose can unexpectedly benefit us all. Beyond the obvious, space exploration has space-proofed our lives in countless other ways. Think about advanced water purification systems, originally designed to recycle every drop in a spacecraft, now helping communities on Earth, or scratch-resistant coatings on your glasses and phone screens, born from materials developed to protect satellites from harsh cosmic environments. This constant cycle of challenge and innovation, driven by the desire to survive and thrive in space, continually enriches our world. So, what other overlooked technologies are waiting for you to trace their cosmic origins? How does understanding these connections future-proof your brain, making you a more curious and discerning explorer of the world around you? It's time to explore the hidden universe within your pocket. Prepare to have your mind expanded. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, a vast, sparkling tapestry of stars, and felt that deep, ancient questions stir within you? Are we truly alone? This isn't just a fun what-if thought. It's one of humanity's most profound inquiries, a question that drives scientists and explorers to push the boundaries of knowledge itself. It's a call to discern, to seek truth beyond common misconception, and to embark on the ultimate quest for knowledge. To answer such a colossal question, we don't just guess or wish upon a star. We use our universe decoder ring, the scientific method. This isn't a dusty textbook concept. It's a powerful tool, a way of thinking that helps us test ideas, gather evidence, and build understanding step by step. It means making observations, forming hypotheses, and then designing ways to find out if those ideas hold up to scrutiny. It's how we navigate the unknown, transforming wild speculation into informed discovery. Think about Mars. For centuries, people imagined canals, cities, even alien civilizations on its reddish surface. These were myths, fascinating stories. But then, our rovers became our eyes, our hands, our senses on another world. They crawled across Martian plains, drilled into rocks, and sent back mountains of data, transforming our understanding. They showed us a cold, dry, yet incredibly dynamic planet, replacing speculation with concrete evidence, proving the power of direct observation. This what-if game, powered by science, is how we predict the future. What if there's liquid water beneath the ice caps of distant moons? What if certain chemicals, the building blocks of life, exist on exoplanets? We use our current understanding to form these questions, and then we design missions and experiments to find the answers. It's a continuous loop of curiosity, logical inquiry, and discovery, always pushing us forward. So, are you ready to join Logic Bunny's detective agency? To look at the universe not just with wonder, but with the sharp eyes of a critical thinker. To question everything, even the most exciting ideas, and seek the evidence that truly connects us to the truth. The quest for knowledge is an amazing adventure, and your curiosity is the greatest tool you possess. We've journeyed through incredible ideas today, haven't we? We peered into gravity's secret, seeing how rockets make physics fun, not just a set of equations. We explored your body in zero-G, discovering the ultimate health challenges and what they teach us about ourselves. We uncovered moon landing myths, understanding the untold stories woven into humanity's giant leap. We looked beyond the buzz, realizing how space technology literally powers our pockets. And finally, we tackled the grand question: are aliens real? Learning how the science of questioning everything, even logic bunny, equips us with critical thinking. Remember that feeling of boredom, of learning as a heavy obligation? It's time to let that feeling dissolve. Learning isn't a chore, a dusty textbook, or a dry lecture. It is the ultimate adventure, just like exploring the vast, unknown cosmos itself. Every new concept you grasp, every surprising fact you uncover, every why you dare to ask, is a step further into an infinite universe of understanding. Logic Bunny wants you to know something profound. Every time you learn something new, you're not just memorizing facts. You are building a new, powerful part of your own personal starship, your brain. Each piece of knowledge is like an engine upgrade, a navigation system improvement, a stronger shield against the unknown. Your mind is the most incredible vehicle for discovery you will ever possess. So, keep asking why. Keep exploring the universe of knowledge with the same boundless curiosity as a space pioneer. See every question, every challenge, every new idea as a launch pad for discovery. Just like building a model rocket, each piece of knowledge you gather, each question you ask, adds to the fuel and precision of your own launch sequence, ready to send your understanding further than you ever imagined. What incredible new discoveries will you launch your mind towards next? The universe, both outside and within you, is waiting.